Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a pretty cool barn find. It's a 1966 Chevy panel truck. It's rare because it's four-wheel drive. I've got the owner here. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today?
Good.
Good. So tell us a little bit about it.
Well, it's a four-wheel drive 66 panel truck. The body is in good shape. It's been in this garage since '86. It's been in the garage most of its life. Has a 6-cylinder. It turns over, so it needs to be points.
Yeah, probably spark.
It has no spark. That's
Okay.
what it is. Snow plow. We started putting that on back in '86, and the wires are inside the truck.
Yeah.
And as far as we got.
Cool. And under the hood we got a straight 6.
Yeah.
Definitely looks pretty solid.
Yeah. It used to be for my dad's construction company.
Oh.
And
So it's been sitting a little while, right? Since what, 86?
since '86, '85, '86. Yeah.
Wow, definitely solid.
Yeah, I got the manuals. It's solid inside. That seat is shot, but the rest is in good shape. Inside there's no rust. There's some on the outside of the body. Small spots, but
Great shape.
yeah. I think it is.
I think it's cool, man. They all rust out around here by the doors. This looks really good.
There's a low crack right down in here.
Yeah.
This is where it did some body work on it.
Okay. Very cool.
But it's all
Solid.
Not really dented. Little dents here and there.
Mm-hmm.
Being on the job sites.
Nice big, looks like an 8-foot plow.
Yeah, the heavy duty one. A little rust on the ear starting. It's a C10. Has spare tires still.
Cool. Definitely a barn find. That's what I call it.
That seat is shot, but the dash is in good shape.
Oh, original. Cool.
I have the registration.
94,598 miles, huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, because it's when we stopped.
Yeah. Very cool.
It wasn't really an everyday truck.
Yeah.
It was, my dad did a lot of work on Dune Road,
Oh, okay.
and
That's way out East Hampton, guys.
yeah, and then out to Southampton and stuff. So when we got into that's what the four-wheel drive was for.
Okay.
And we could always do the plow, but got to it out when it was windshield's cracked.
Can we check out under the hood?
Yeah. You want to look at your flashlight?
Yeah.
Come on, that's the paint.
Go ahead.
Gentlemen. Hey. Flashlight.
Let's get the flashlight. Oh, cool.
Everything's there. It's all original,
Very cool.
except for the, like I said, back in '85, '86, we had the head rebuilt. And that's why she still turns over. So it didn't seize up.
Good. Motor's free, just needs some spark.
Yeah, it needs spark. And I didn't want my guy messing around with it because that would have been a couple hours. So.
Sure.
We just want to make sure she turned over.
Very cool.
See down here's a little patch. So we put a little,
Okay.
down here was, you see,
Okay.
starting to rust. Buckle a little bit. This is all solid. And there's a little, where normally, like you said, rust.
Yeah, sure.
That's where it starts. But it's not bad. That's
No,
all
not
minor.
at all. It's definitely pretty cool. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.